You're listening to the European Parliamentary Research Service podcast on genome editing.
Ever heard of CRISPR-Cas9? Behind this cryptic name lies a new technique to simplify gene editing, which could herald a new era of genetic modification. But what are its implications? Stay with us.
Thanks to genome editing technologies, scientists can change an organism's DNA by adding, removing or altering genetic material in a genome.
There are several ways of doing this, but one technique is causing a buzz in the scientific community: CRISPR-Cas9.
This new technique is faster, cheaper, more accurate and more efficient than other genome editing methods, and it's expected to enhance our capacity to target and study specific DNA sequences in a genome. So how does it work?
Well, unlike its name, it's actually pretty simple. CRISPR-Cas9 can cut the DNA of any genome at any desired location in a wide range of organisms, replace or add parts of the DNA sequence by introducing the Cas9 protein, and guide DNA into a cell.
This technique holds great potential in the prevention and treatment of human diseases such as cancer, mental illness or HIV infection. But it can also be used to alter the DNA of human embryos and pass on the changes to the next generation.
This raises numerous social and ethical concerns. For instance, could this technology be used to enhance human traits such as height or intelligence, or produce designer babies?
And could this open the door to new forms of social inequality and discrimination?
There's certainly a lot to think about, and it doesn't only concern humans, as gene editing could also provoke irreversible changes in other organisms and the environment.
So until all risks can be better assessed, scientists are taking a better safe than sorry approach and have recommended a moratorium on making inheritable changes to the human genome. But what about lawmakers?
Well, the regulatory challenges are no less great than the social and ethical ones. Currently, a battle is raging in the EU on how to accommodate new genome editing techniques within the existing regulatory framework for GMOs.
The question is also whether they should be regulated as a process or whether attention should go to the products, favouring a more result-based approach.
Patenting CRISPR-Cas9 for therapeutic use in humans is also legally controversial, as the risks of permanent and unpredictable genetic mutations raise important safety and liability questions.
So the ground is set for exciting debate in the coming years on the future of genome editing. Stay tuned.
You're listening to European Parliamentary Research Service podcasts.